Hi, boys and girls. Well, I bet you're probably wondering, why does Mrs. Masters have a picture of a freaked out baby and a picture of the earth? Well, interesting enough, these two things go together. Okay, so I want you to look at the picture of the baby. Notice that the baby is bundled up in layers. Okay, well, guess what? The earth is also bundled up in layers. So if you look at the baby, you'll see that the baby has like the Hess hat. We've got this layer of coat. We've got this other layer and this layer. So all of these layers have a job to do, and their main job is to protect the baby from getting cold. Well, the earth also has layers that protect the earth. And today we are going to talk about those layers. So the layers that make up the earth is called the atmosphere. Okay. So the atmosphere is the mixture of gases that surrounds a planet. There are 4 layers of the atmosphere. We have the troposphere, there's an ozone layer, there's a stratosphere, and then there's the ionosphere. Okay. So today we are going to label these different layers of the atmosphere and talk about what each job does. All right. So first we have the Earth, which is right here. The lowest layer is called the troposphere. Okay. And the troposphere is where most of Earth's weather happens. Okay. So planes going on long trips will fly very close to the top of the troposphere. It's usually above the clouds. Okay. The second layer is called the stratosphere. Okay. And this is the ozone layer. Okay. The ozone layer is located in the stratosphere. So the ozone layer helps keep out most of the sun's dangerous rays. The third layer is the mesosphere. So the mesosphere is where meteorites, those large rocks that are falling from outer space, that's where they burn up. So the mesosphere keeps the meteorites from hitting Earth and possibly hurting plants, people, animals, buildings, and other objects. Okay. We can sometimes see these meteorites, and we call these shooting stars. And then the highest layer is the thermosphere. So you will notice that thermo. Remember what thermo means? You're right, that does mean heat. So this is a layer of the atmosphere that reaches way all out of space, out to outer space. So this is the last layer of the atmosphere, and space shuttles travel through before reaching outer space. So this is why space shuttles have to be very protective, because there's so much heat here that they could burn up if they're not protected. So once again, the layers of Earth that surround, or the layers of air that surround Earth, it's called our atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. And this troposphere is the layer where most of our weather takes place. So this is going to be super duper important for you to know moving forward. Okay. So you're going to go ahead and complete the rest of the activities for today, learning more about our atmosphere.